Ma'am Moira, good morning. My name is Renz Berek Ukabnakit. I'm here to represent my video report about matter and its properties. So let me start, ma'am. Describe and or make a representation of the arrangement, relative spacing, and the relative motion of the particles in each of the three phases of matter. So there are the three main states of matter. There is a solid, liquid, and gas. So a liquid is a nearly incomprehensible fluid that conforms to the shape of its container but retains a constant volume, independent of pressure. As such, it is one of the four fundamental states of matter and is the only state with a definite volume but no fixed shape. Solid is one of the four fundamental states of matter. The molecules in a solid are closely packed together and contains the least amount of kinetic energy. A solid is characterized by structural rigidity and resistance to a force applied to the surface. Gas is one of the four fundamental states of matter. A pure gas may be made up of individual atoms, elemental molecules made from one type of atoms, or compound molecules made from a variety of atoms. A gas mixture such as air contains a variety of pure gases. So, particles arrangement in phases of matter. So there's a solid, liquid, and gas. Solid particles are packed tightly together in a fixed arrangement. Particles can vibrate but not move. Liquid particles are close together with no distinct arrangement. Particles can move and glide around each other. Gases particles are free floating with no distinct arrangement. Particles move and collide with each other. Solids have molecules that are packed together so that they do not move around. The molecules are not too far apart so that they are able to move around. And liquid are able to flow and move around because their molecules are not packed too closely together so they are able to move. So gases are able to spread out because there's a lot of space between the molecules which allows them to move as well. So the different phases of matter, there's a solid, liquid, and gas. So there's an example of solid: salt, ice, wood, phone, and clothes. And the example of liquid is water, mercury, blood, soda, and coffee. And the example of gas is air, CO2, helium, oxygen, and propane. And that's all, ma'am. Thank you. Amping kanunay.